What's the meaning of ad-lib? Ad-lib. 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 Ad-lib means to improvise or speak or perform without preparation. It is an abbreviated form of the Latin phrase, ad libitum, which means, at one's pleasure, or, as one desires. When someone is asked to ad-lib, they are expected to come up with something on the spot without any prior planning or rehearsal. This term is commonly used in the entertainment industry, where actors, comedians, and musicians often ad-lib during performances to add humor, wit, or spontaneity to their act.